Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I will show you how to set up your HP SmartTank 5101 all-in-one printer step by step. Whether you are setting it up for the first time or reinstalling it after reset, just follow this guide carefully and your printer will be ready in minutes. So let's get started. Step 1. First, remove all packaging materials from the printer. Carefully remove protective tapes, cardboard supports, and plastic covers from inside and outside the printer. Now, place the printer on a flat surface near a power outlet. Connect the power cable to the printer and plug it into the wall socket. Press the power button to turn on the printer. Wait until the printer becomes idle and ready. Step 2. Now, open the front ink tank door. Open each ink tank cap one by one. Take the ink bottles provided with your printer. Match the bottle color with the tank color. Insert the bottle into the tank and allow the ink to fill automatically. Do not squeeze the bottle. Wait until the tank is full. Repeat this process for all ink tanks. Important note, some ink may remain in the black bottle. Close the bottle tightly and store it upright for future use. Now close the ink tank caps and the front door. Wait about 15 seconds so the printer can detect the ink.
Step 3. Open the front access door again. Remove the orange tape inside the printer. Press gently to open the print head cover. Now take the print heads out of the packaging. Remove the orange caps and protective tape from the print heads. Important: do not touch the copper contacts or ink nozzles. Insert the print heads into their correct color slots. Push them gently until they click into place. Close the print head cover properly. Then, close the front access door.
Step 4. Pull up the paper input tray. Insert A4 or letter size paper into the tray. Adjust the paper width guide properly so the sheets stay aligned. Now, pull out the output tray extender. Your printer is now ready for alignment setup. Step 5. The printer will now print an alignment page automatically. Once the alignment page prints, place the printed page face down on the scanner glass. Close the scanner lid. When the copy button starts blinking, press the copy button. The printer will display a blinking A light. Wait until the alignment process completes. Alignment improves print quality and completes the hardware setup. Step 6. Now go to the official HP setup website, 123.hp.com. Download the HP Smart software on your computer or mobile device. Open the HP Smart app. Follow the on-screen instructions to add your printer. If prompted, sign in or create your HP account. Once the setup finishes, your printer is ready to use. Step 7. To confirm everything is working correctly, open the HP Smart app. Select your printer, tap Print Documents or Print Photos. Print a test page. If the page prints successfully, your setup is complete. And next, troubleshooting tips. If your printer is not detected during setup, restart your printer, restart your Wi-Fi router, make sure your device is connected to the same Wi-Fi network. Then reopen the HP Smart app and try again. That's it. Your HP SmartTank 5101 printer setup is now complete and ready to use. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the channel for more printer setup tutorials. And if you still need any help with installation, Wi-Fi setup, driver download, or troubleshooting, you can contact our printer support team. Our experts are ready to assist you. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.